Hi Bam Potatoes, welcome to day 14. This is going to be Jolly Old St. Nicholas. You are having your first driving lesson. When you are playing the first measure, you want to have your eyes on the second measure already. The first measure is the same 4 notes, so you can look one measure ahead already. That's pretty easy. When you're driving a car, you want to look one car ahead, a few cars ahead, so you don't get into an accident. Keep your eyes one measure ahead of when you're playing, and you will get better at playing quicker. The second thing is look at the map before you take off and go on your merry way to wherever you're going. The same thing when you're playing music. You want to look at where are the difficult spots, what's going to get you in trouble. When you're in a car with other people, you could end up getting into fights over taking the right exit. Well, practicing with music, nobody gets into fights. You're practicing this on your own. This is why music is awesome. You're learning to drive when you play music. Measure 7 and measure 15 are probably going to give you the most trouble. So practice measure 7 about 3 times in a row first, and measure 15 3 times in a row. Good times, not it doesn't sound great. And then maybe measure 6. If you look at measure 14, if you already practice measure 6, why practice measure 14? It's the same thing. So be efficient with your time. You know, if you already practice something, use the time to practice the stuff that's difficult. That way when you're playing through, everything's a smooth ride. No fights, no issues, no drama, and put the drama into the music, okay? This is Jolly Old St. Nicholas, day 14. Okay, so we're going to check out the map with measure 6, measure 7, and measure 15 before we play. Okay? Here we go. Measure 7. Measure 15. Jolly Old St. Nicholas from the top. I will count 1, 2, 3, and then we'll come in with a melody, and then the harmony will be after. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Harmony. 1, 2, 3. Thanks for playing Jolly Old St. Nicholas with me. Have a great day. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or need any help with anything, type on Bam Potato Instagram. Thanks.